Brought to you by the Coffee Files. Should you put honey in coffee? As a coffee lover, there are many different sweeteners you can put in your coffee. Some people prefer sugar, others like artificial sweeteners, and yet others like to add syrups to their coffee. Let's explore the history of honey in coffee, the health benefits of using honey as a sweetener, and how honey can alter the coffee taste when added. Where did honey in coffee originate? Some say it originated in the Middle East with Arab traders. Others credit the Europeans, who used it as a way to sweeten for those who couldn't afford sugar. Why use honey instead of sugar in your coffee? Unprocessed honey contains antioxidants, with a sweetness that is not overpowering. Refined white sugar is processed and does not offer that benefit. Is honey good for you? Yes, honey in moderation is good for you. It's rich in antioxidants and contains vitamins and minerals that offer health benefits. Remember that honey has a high sugar content, so moderation is key. It should make up no more than 10% of your daily calorie intake. For a goal of 2,000 calories per day, that's a bit less than 3 tablespoons. Types of honey to use in coffee. Raw honey. It adds a subtle floral sweetness, and is sweeter than sugar, so use a light touch. Acacia honey. It will add a light, floral aroma and a delicate sweetness to your cup of joe. Blossom honey. Its floral essence blends deliciously with any milk or cream added, particularly to a robust coffee blend. Buckwheat honey. It has a unique and distinctive robust and nutty taste. Clover honey. You'll get a gentle sweetness that pairs well with light roasted Arabica beans. Remember, you don't need to add very much to enjoy the sweetness. Fireweed honey. An intensely sweet and floral honey that tastes almost creamy when added to hot beverages, with licorice undertones. Manuka honey. Fans of a sweet and savory flavor combo will enjoy this type of honey. For even more interest, add a pinch of Himalayan pink salt to your brew. Tupelo honey. Your dark roast coffee will pair well with this type of honey. The complex flavor ranges from sweet to smoky, and slightly acidic. Wildflower honey. Its mild sweetness adds an extra layer of flavor without overpowering the taste of the coffee. Is there a downside to adding honey to coffee? It's important to note that honey still contains natural sugars and calories, and as such, remember that moderation is key. Coffee with honey recipe. For 2 servings you'll need 1 cup of freshly brewed coffee, 1/2 cup milk, 1/4 cup honey, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/8 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon ground nutmeg. Add the coffee, milk, honey, cinnamon, and nutmeg to a pan. Heat until hot but not boiling, stirring regularly. Remove from heat and add the vanilla. Serve immediately. So, now you know how to use honey as a sweetener for your coffee. Thanks for watching.